Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a zipped file to G Drive. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to look up your G Drive. So the best thing to do is to go onto Google and then to type Drive in the top. So just hit enter. And then as you can see, that is now taking me to my G Drive. So then I'm just going to go back to my desktop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a zipped file and I'm going to put all these videos in. So if you right click and if you do new, and then if you do compressed zipped folder, so that's created that for us. And I'm now going to call that videos. I'm just going to hit enter. Amazing. And then what you're going to do is you just want to drag and hold over these 4 videos, and then you want to copy them into that folder. So as you can see, that is now compressing those videos for me and adding them into that folder. Great. Okay, so that has now been done. So what we're going to do is we are going to come back to our G Drive. We're going to right click. We're going to do file upload. We are going to come to desktop, as that is where our folder was. And as you can see, there is our zipped folder. Give that a double click, and that is just going to upload for you onto your G Drive. And that is it. That is how to upload a zipped file to G Drive. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.